Let's start out by saying you're not a fat loser. There is a reason you are fat. I know there are a lot of people out there battling with the bulge and have tried numerous diets or exercise regimes and have had some success, but only to see it all come back with a vengeance. We all know we want to lose weight fast, but a lot of the methods out there will help you lose weight fast but at the sacrifice of losing important body muscle or be it just fluids. So the question that brought you here, how can I lose weight fast naturally and increase my health and vitality? What a lot of people don't realize is that up to 80% of people have parasites living in their bodies, eating up the valuable nutrients that we feed ourselves. This causes one to be undernourished, so the body stimulates the appetite so you will eat more to get the nutrients it needs. As a result, we feel hungry and overeat, resulting in weight gain. Also, from eating a westernized diet full of processed foods and chemicals has resulted in plaque and undigested matter sticking to the bowel wall, where it sits putrefying, creating toxicity and a breeding ground for pathogens and parasites. This matter can weigh for the average person up to 10 pounds. The simple conclusion then is to cleanse the bowel to rid yourself of this undigested waste matter, which will result in an instant 10 pounds weight loss. You will notice quite a difference as your stomach won't be sticking out as much. This will restore the health of the digestive system and eliminate the parasites. You will now be getting the full nourishment from your foods, stopping the voracious appetite, allowing you to lose weight fast naturally. This does not mean that you should just go out and do any old cleanse. Some can be dangerous to your health. For more information, click the link in the description below this video.